Girl, let's explore this up now. In the Volta region, we came touring. We went to Ote Waterfalls. We went to the Canopy Walk. We are heading to the Monkey Sanctuary, then the Snake Village. Then we'll head back to Medina. I'm going to do a lot of work to edit, but we want. Should I talk about the tour? So we're planning a tour for you guys. I know you guys have been waiting to travel with me, don't worry. We will plan the trip together at Volta in a month or two. So please, when you post the flyer, share to your friends. Share. It's for 14 people. But no surplus. But I just cannot ready. If it's full, it's full. It's given premium and exclusive.
Share the link.
Take care.
Share the link.
Bye.